Even because we gave our document. They are saying that the curriculum in the JSS is that they are supposed to teach 14 learning areas, whereby their subjects, some of them are science subjects, others are humanities, and you find a teacher is being taught to teach, like for example, CRE, history, or even Kiswahili. Of course, he's trying to teach CRE and history, for example, and is being taught to teach a science subject like chemistry and biology. You know, that is becoming very difficult, and because the teachers are not enough, there are only 2 teachers as at now in JSS. Another thing is in primary schools you find there are no facilities which are required by the JSS curriculum, like laboratories, where these science subjects are supposed to be taken from, and therefore that's a big problem. So we are saying that problem should have been solved if this JSS was domiciled in secondary section, senior secondary section, because there are facilities and there are also other teachers and that's why you get from all over the country. This has now begun to be a mess. It is mess everywhere and it cannot succeed. So we ask the government to sit down, it's not late, and put these JSS teachers where they belong. Our students, this generation is also seeing what is happening. The students who are being taught by these JSS, and therefore they are being, they are getting discouraged. That is why I'm saying, if we are not careful, we are going to waste our own generation.